Hi, I'm Josh Gasfitter, and today we did a garage heater and this garage here. But we started the meter. This is the gas line coming off. So we added a barbecue tee for the client to do some barbecuing off his meter. Then we have a firing valve for the garage heater. It's right here. So we're going to follow it all the way around, and it goes underground over here. Yeah, so it starts the side of the house, it goes underground, comes over to this side. Here we have a ball valve on each side. It's bracketed, and there's a swing joint on each side as well. Then we'll keep going into the garage. And here's the heater. So it's a garage heater, a radiant style, Schwank P40. It's a 40,000 BTU, and it's running right now. It's pretty quiet. As you can hear, it's pretty silent. It's similar to a Calcana, but it's just a little bit shorter, and the exhaust comes out the back side rather than directly out the back of this side. Right on, guys, there's a thermostat, and it plugs in just like any ordinary heater, and yeah, it's going to keep your garage nice and warm this winter. Right on, guys, thanks for watching. Have a good day.